we will discuss how to use average function in MS Excel. Average function returns the average of the arguments whatever value you have passed in the parenthesis. See here, one statement of the salary of a particular company is given over here. Salaries of the different persons have been entered, okay, here, and you are required to calculate the average salary of that company. So how you will do calculation? For this, what you will be doing, select the range, it means starting cell, and shift, press the shift key and the last cell address you click. So range will be selected in this case. Then right hand side you will be finding one auto sum button. Click here on auto sum button and get the average from the drop down list. Click over there, see the average salary calculated directly with the help of the auto sum function and the provided other functions in the list. Okay, next method you can use how to calculate. Here directly you can apply the formula. How? In the cell where you want to calculate the average, use equal to sign and then write spelling AVERAGE, AVERAGE, and then starting the bracket and pass therein D4. Click on the D4, press and hold the shift key and click on the last cell address, that is D8. Press enter key. You can see average calculated over here. Okay, in this way you can calculate the average salary of any given range. Now I want to show you here two different cases. I have been entered value. In the first case you can see 4, then blank space, and then 2 I have been entered. It means 3 different cells having different values over here. Okay, I'm selecting this, okay, and then again going to the auto sum button and clicking on the average. You see average calculated over here. In the second case, the same value I have been entered here, 4, then 0 and 2. These 3 different cells having the same value which we have been entered in the previous case. Okay, now select these 3 cells and again go to the auto sum and select the average, and see this time it is having different value. The previous case it was 3 and in the second case it is 2. Why this is different appearing here? It means in the Excel, blank cell address is avoided in the calculation. It means Excel never accept blank cell address in the calculation. So while you are using formula, make sure that there should not be any cell as a blank. Okay, in the second case you see instead of blank I have been entered here 0. 0 is a number. Okay, and now you see this is selected and then used in the calculation. That's why it is coming 2. Okay, so here in this way you can calculate average in your Excel. Now today's task for you, you have to collect 5 different subject marks of students in a range, and then at the bottom you have to calculate average of that given marks. Okay, thank you.